Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rayyan Arfan Ahmad from class 5.2 or Salman Al Farisi, and I will be presenting my presentation, The Adaptations of Birds. Before we start the presentation, let's recite the spiritual foundation. Let's recite it in our hearts. Okay, we're done. Allah has created every creature from water, and of them are those who walk on their bellies, and of them are those who walk on two legs, and of them are those who walk on four. Allah creates what He wills. Indeed, Allah is over all things competent. Number 1. Environmental adaptation. Penguins have thick fat layers to protect against the cold. Due to lack of foliage in such cold regions, penguins have adapted a nutrient-rich diet of primarily fish. Chapter 2. Mating Adaptations. I'm going to be introducing you guys to the flashy birds, peafowls. Peafowls, specifically the ones shown here, the common or Indian peafowl, are extreme when it comes to mating rituals. Peacocks or male peafowls will show off their feathers to try to attract a hen of their kind. Their feathers are also useful for intimidation, scaring off most birds. Now, let's get introduced to the birds of prey. Let's talk about vultures, the carrion feeders. Vultures are birds that scavenge on carrion. Their strong guts allow them to consume and digest things that predators higher on the food chain cannot process. Eagles. Let's talk about eagles. Eagles are birds of prey. The classification of eagles are basically any bird that can hunt 50 centimeter or bigger vertebrates. True eagles are only the subfamily Equini. And eagles' adaptations. Eagles have sharp talons for hunting. They serve as their main weapons, though they may occasionally use their beaks. Now, thank you dearly for listening to my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.